I've never stopped here before. I'd always drive by it. There's only like one place to park a car. A lot of people come out here to fish. So this is a better shot of the front of the Felt Mansion. It's got all copper gutter work. The sun's shining really bright right now. And here's the entryway. We got a pretty good view from up here. You can see the mansion over there, the Felt Mansion. And here's part of the water system. I don't know if there was a windmill here. I would imagine. You see a hole right in the center here. This system actually hooks up to the Lake Michigan behind me. Probably about 1.5 miles away. There's a pump station. This hasn't been used in years. We'll head up here. And as Harshman Hills said in his last comment to me, I'd be worried about ticks right about now. So I won't enter. And you're curious. Good to see you guys. Have a good evening. Okay? Have fun out there.